Hello, I am Pierre Vedi from MarkLogic, and I am Alliance Manager, so working CGI for driving shared relation. Today, I am with Christelle from CGI, which is working with us on data area, and she will explain what kind of success and value on this specific data topic. So, first of all, Christelle, may you present yourself and explain the topic you would like to discuss today?
Hello Pierre, my name is Christelle. I work in CGI since 8 years as data governance referent. And today I would like to discuss with you regarding data classification topic, more focus on industrial area.
Okay, so in this manufacturing area, data are of course existing for years. So what is there any new today, any new topic to address?
The current economic and competitive environment makes information the key asset. Is more clear. But this trend is confirmed by the proliferation of technological advances like cloud system, share information, dematerialization, etc., and in view of the risk involved. Data classification is one of the priority steps to identify information security objective on the company. It helps to better control the company information asset and deployed a set of measures to protect it. But very often, these measures are very expensive. So the main topic of the data classification should give the company their investment and avoid unnecessary expenses. The classification of the data allows to know the sensitivity and criticality of this information and choose the appropriate measure to ensure this protection, more especially on the industry with highly sensitive and shared data.
Christelle, do you see this classification topic as a risk or an opportunity for these customers?
Given regulation frameworks, risks of cyber attacks, for example, effective data classification is no longer an opportunity or a risk, but rather a necessity. It's time to apply a data governance and data classification more appropriate and more able to manage sensitive data. Today, this is a priority.
So, Christelle, okay, the customer need to classify their data, but how to do it?
To classify the data, it's necessary to follow a pragmatic methodology in order to ensure the running of the project and allow a clear identification of the data to be classified. I would like to focus on 2 steps. On the step 3, workshop, this step is very important. Processing the workshop is clearly the highlight of the project. In my point of view, the success of the project depends mainly on the critical phase. For example, the role of the project manager is to lead it and allow the network to understand the methodology, the data classification, allow to collect the information, allow to identify the essential one, etc. In my point of view, we don't forget the classification is aimed at any employees who has to classify the information and anyone concerned with the use and the usage of the data. And at the end of the methodology, it must be reviewed annually, for example, in order to remain in line with the need and with the requirement. For example, if we have a new regulation on the data classification, we have to update your data classification also.
Okay, I see this strong methodology to support this classification, but what are the key success factors to support that project?
The classification of the data depends on several factors. Several conditions are essential to the success of such a project. The first one is to the top management involvement, because the direction must guarantee the condition of the management and must involve the stakeholder, must improve the communication, etc., etc. The second factor I would like to share with you, it's approach based on the process. We define data classification based on the business process, for sure. This is the main topic. Your data on your process, and not your process without your data. It is a main and key topic on the data classification. The second one is linked to the project management. In general, the data classification can be boring, it's clear. It's recommended to address a little perimeter. For example, we put run activity. We more focus on new sensitive data. For example, on the procurement, we focus on new. We focus on new contract management, etc., etc. Another several factor is the level of granularity. We define only 3 or 4 levels of classification. It's not necessary to define, for example, 10 or 20 level of classification, because it's not easier to apply it on your company. And at the end, I'd share on your last question. It's very, very necessary to review regularly your data classification. For example, 1 by year with the network on your data classification, but also with the board of your direction.
Okay, for this key factor, but can you illustrate with a couple of examples to better understand this approach?
Yes, I have several examples. For the military sector, for example, the code defines 3 classification levels: restricted access, very secret defense, and confidential defense. For example, for the business sector, usually the company that store and process business data use 4 levels of data classification, including 3 confidential level: business use only, confidential, secret, and public. And the same rule can apply, for example, to medical and educational organization.
Okay. So now the question is coming about how to execute it on what kind of platform do you see to support this classification and this sensitive data?
Yeah. After writing a good data classification policy, you need to make sure that your policy worked, and you have the mandatory control to ensure information security. So you can do this through setting up data hub, for example, with MarkLogic, well known for its ability to process sensitive data. On this topic, I invite you to watch Bruno Rickman interview on the MarkLogic implementation.
Thank you very much for this discussion, Christelle. This is very interesting and topic we share together. I am sure that your presentation plus the Bruno feedback on the implementation will be also very valuable to understand what is the shared value we bring to our customer. Thank you.
Thank you, Pierre. See you.